Hey crew, it's Anthony with StackTrax Fitness. Starting anything is hard, but starting a fitness routine is flat out exhausting. Many times when we start a new fitness routine, it can feel like we are a hamster on a wheel. Knowing we have been here before and failing yet again is a real possibility. Or we are so busy, it's hard to even think about how to fit your training in. And worst of all, the second we start looking for help, we get dumped on with information on what they think is best. Well, in today's video, you're going to discover a simple 3-step strategy that allows you to simplify the training process and break through the noise so you can get started today. In fact, this 3-step strategy is exactly the same strategy we have used to help thousands of our clients over the last 30 years collectively to get results in every area of fitness, from weight loss to sports performance, to those just starting out, and to those who are lifelong fitness enthusiasts. And when you apply these strategies, you'll be surprised at how simple and straightforward the concepts are. Your fitness results will start happening faster than you expected, and you may even start to wonder why there's so much confusion in the first place. And when you stick around to the end, we will reveal how you can download the ultimate guidebook for fitness success for free, which breaks down everything you are going to learn here in much more depth. Now, let's get started. Step 1. We first need to understand and balance out our weekly routine. Many times we start training without any real structure or training plan. When you start any program, take a moment to look at your current schedule. Where can you fit your training in? Aim for at least 2 to 3 times a week and schedule it. If you feel 90% or more confident on achieving this schedule, you are good to go. If not, reduce it by a day and start there. You must feel confident you can do it, or it most likely won't happen. Next, blend in these 3 styles of training. 1. Strength training or high intensity training. This can consist of bodyweight routines, group classes, or using fitness equipment like StackTrax. When just starting out, aim for 1 to 2 days of training and increase it to 3 or 4 once you are in a good groove. 2. Steady state cardio. This is all about getting your body to move. Activities can include walking, running, biking, riding, swimming, and even going for a hike. The goal is to keep your heart rate elevated for at least 45 minutes. Less time is needed if you are just starting out, but really try to aim to achieve 2 to 3 days of cardio. And finally, add in some recovery. This type of training is one of the most overlooked ways to train. However, it can really help when you are trying to reduce stress, build muscle, and have less overall body aches and pains. Types of recovery include yoga, meditation, getting a massage, or even just taking a day off to relax. Imagine that. When you schedule and start blending these 3 styles of training into your schedule, without overloading one more than the other, you will be amazed at how doing less can actually help you achieve more. Step 2. Train using the cross-pattern concept. By breaking the body into 4 parts, we can start creating a program of workouts that blend a systematic approach that helps elevate overloading one area of the body. By training the upper body backside, such as pull-ups, rows, and banded pull-downs, with the lower body front side, like squats and lunges, while on other days you work upper body front side, such as push-ups, shoulder presses, and banded flies, with the lower body backside, like deadlifts or nerve curls, you will create a balanced approach to your training program, minimizing the potential of plateaus, injuries, and overloading, while increasing the opportunity for muscle recovery and better neurological response throughout the week. Understanding this concept can be a game changer when creating a fitness program that gets results, as creating routines can be as simple as knowing what 2 areas of the body you were working that day and blending these routines throughout the month. And finally, step 3. have the consistency, commitment, and accountability to stay the course. Remember, something is better than nothing. Figure out what you can realistically commit to for your training and make that a non-negotiable. Everyone can start a fitness routine and strive to hit their goals. Unfortunately, not many people finish. Let's not make that happen to you. And because I know you're going to take action on your health and fitness, here's a free gift: the StackTrax Fitness Ultimate Guidebook for Fitness Success, which goes into these strategies in much more depth, with a sample program to reference and use. Plus, inside the guidebook, get top quality resources in nutrition, fitness, and lifestyle habits, with actionable items to apply today. In addition, we top it off with various simple, to-the-point charts that will help you create one ultimate program you can use time and time again. Click the link in the description below to download it now. And if you'd like more content and helpful fitness videos and resources, subscribe, like, and hit the bell to get all the latest updates from StackTrax Fitness. Take care.